Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Radisson, Saskatchewan is a small prairie town located northwest of Saskatoon. Positioned along Highway 16, the Yellowhead Highway, Radisson sits in a region shaped by agriculture, transportation, and the steady rhythm of rural life. Its quiet streets and open surroundings offer a clear sense of the landscape that defines much of central Saskatchewan. Radisson has a population of just under 500 people. Like many smaller towns in the province, it serves as a local center for nearby farms and rural residents. While its population has remained relatively stable over the years, the town continues to support essential services and maintain a strong sense of community among those who live here. The town was established in the early 1900s during a period of rapid settlement across Western Canada. Like many prairie communities, Radisson developed alongside the expansion of the railway. The arrival of rail lines provided a crucial link for transporting grain and supplies, helping to establish the town as a service point for surrounding agricultural operations. Grain elevators once stood as key landmarks, representing the importance of farming to the local economy. Agriculture remains central to life in and around Radisson. The surrounding land is used primarily for grain farming, with fields stretching across the horizon. Over the decades, farming methods have changed, becoming more modern and efficient, but the connection between the town and the land has remained consistent. Radisson's location along the Yellowhead Highway has played an important role in its development. This major route connects the town to Saskatoon and other communities across Saskatchewan and beyond. While the highway brings some through traffic, Radisson has retained its quiet character, with most activities centered around local life rather than tourism or large-scale industry. The landscape surrounding Radisson is defined by open prairie, with wide skies and long views in every direction. Seasonal changes are a major part of life here, from the growth of crops in the summer to the harvest season in the fall, followed by the quiet stillness of winter. These natural cycles continue to shape the daily rhythm of the community. Over time, Radisson has adapted to changes in agriculture, transportation, and population trends. While it has not experienced the rapid growth seen in nearby urban areas, it has maintained its role as a stable and enduring community. Its history is reflected in its layout, its buildings, and the traditions that continue to be passed down through generations. Today, Radisson stands as a reminder of Saskatchewan's rural heritage. It is a place where the influence of the railway, the importance of agriculture, and the strength of community are still clearly visible. For visitors, it offers a straightforward and authentic look at life in a small prairie town. watching.